Is it going?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so this is the Naturhike compact camping chair. It's not the lightest weight option out there. It's 2 pounds, which for me, primarily canoe camping, is a lot smaller than the full-size chairs that we normally bring with us. And it's only 60 bucks. Naturhike has a pretty good reputation these days. They're like an off-brand, but they've become a pretty good brand. Let's see what's in here and how it goes together. How easy it is. Then you got some instructions. Those are going to be the feet. And let's see. Oh, I like that it's all, that's going to get lost. I like that it's all goes right into place. Everything is shock corded. So that's kind of nice. And let me see. There's probably a way to do this. They call it a moon chair, the YL-08 moon chair, whatever that means. Okay, looks like we can. I don't know which end is the top and which end is the bottom. Oh, the top will be the logo facing up. That's an easy way to tell. So let me see. This goes on there. Well, it certainly gets points for being easy to put together. Oops. I spoke too soon. Now I'm going to wonder how well these hold up, these points here. That's kind of the triangle chairs. We have the parts where the poles interface with the chair are the problematic spots. So let's give it the sit test. And these are for if you're on a sandy beach or something, or on ground that's going to sink, you'd put the other feet on. So that's a nice bonus to have for them. Now let's give it the ultimate test. This is the small version. Yeah, it's comfortable. I like it. I can sit by the fire. It doesn't have a headrest. The bigger version has a headrest. For the extra weight, that's not something that really interests me all that much. So I will see how well it performs over time. But for 60 bucks, I think it's pretty good.